How's it going today, guys? We have the Lammcou bendy tripod to unbox. Let's check it out. It comes in a really nice box, and I feel like you can actually use this box as a case if you're not using your tripod, so that's a plus. So off the bat, you get your user manual. So you got 3 things here. So let's check out this guy. If I'm not mistaken, it's an accessory that you can use to mount your GoPro. Fortunately, I don't have one, so I couldn't really try it. But yeah, so that's a nice thing to have if you have a GoPro with you. Second, you got your phone mount. This part here, it feels plasticky here. Actually, they're all made from plastic. The thing I like about this phone mount, you actually have to unscrew it to put your phone and screw it back to tighten up, which I think is way better than other phone mount that has those springs, because eventually those will break off. Definitely a plus having a screw to tight and unloose your phone. Just this by itself will cost you around like $20 in Amazon. So, oh, and also you can actually unscrew the back part here. You can choose between portrait or landscape. So you do have an option for the orientation. So that's very nice. I didn't know that. Next, you have your tripod. It feels really nice. It has a nice weight as well. The legs, it has a nice grip to it. And you also have this screw here on top where you can unscrew it, like change the angle of your phone, rotate it. And once you're satisfied, you can just screw it back and then it's all secured. I don't know if you guys have seen my other video. I did recently purchase a Photo Pro, but unfortunately, like I was saying, the phone mount on the Photo Pro actually came off. I'm very fortunate to be able to find this brand. So right now I have my phone mounted onto the tripod itself. Do the shake test. Yeah, phone feels very secured, which is very important. So you guys can see. And I really like the option where you can actually rotate it. There you go. And you have your phone on a portrait mode, and you have quickly put it on to landscape mode. Very quick, very easy. Yeah, so definitely recommend it. Really love the tripod itself. Phone mount is the best part in my opinion. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you guys later. Bye bye.